Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Xero accounting data using exports to cloud storage, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your Xero accounting data, start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Reports section in the main menu. Click on Reports to access various reporting options. Choose the specific report you would like to export. For example, select Profit and Loss or Balance Sheet. Once you select a report, set the parameters such as date range. After adjusting the parameters, click on the Update button. Review the report to ensure all data is accurate. Look for the Export button, typically located at the top right of the report. Click on the Export button and select your preferred file format. Common formats include CSV, PDF, or Excel. After making your selection, the report will begin to download. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device. Now, it's time to upload this file to your chosen cloud storage. Open your cloud storage application, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Log into your cloud storage account if prompted. Navigate to the folder where you want to save your backup. Click on the Upload button, usually represented by a plus sign or upward arrow. Select the file you just downloaded from Xero. Confirm the upload and wait for it to complete. Once the upload is finished, verify the file is present in your cloud storage. To ensure everything is in order, open the file from your cloud storage. Check that your exported data is intact and accessible. Your Xero accounting data is now securely backed up in the cloud. Repeat this process regularly to maintain up-to-date backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.